Hi everyone. In this session, let's learn how to create and format a multi-row card visualization in Power BI. So, as I mentioned earlier, the first visualization we'll be creating is the multi-row card. Now, to bring in any visualization, we'll use the build panel. You'll notice that on the right-hand side, the data pane gives you all your fields, while the build pane provides all the visualization options. From here, you can select any visualization you want and it will appear on your canvas. So let's click on multi-row card. Once I click on it, you'll see that the multi-row card visual appears right on the report canvas. Let's move it to the bottom of the page and resize it a bit. Something like this. Now that we have the visual in place, let's load some data onto it. I'll drag sales and COGS, which stands for cost of goods sold, into the visual. Usually, sales minus COGS equals profit. So let's also bring in profit to make it meaningful. Now we have sales, COGS, that is cost, and profit, all displayed on the multi-row card. Let's add units sold as well. Each of these values now appears inside the visual, and this box here is called tile. You might have noticed that each field name currently says sum of sales, sum of COGS, and so on. That doesn't look very clean or professional. So let's fix that. To remove sum of from each heading, simply right click on the field name and choose rename for the visual. Now remove the text sum of and do the same for all the other fields. That is right click, rename for this visual, remove sum of, repeat this step for all the fields, and you will see the title now looks neat and easy to read. Next, let's add a title to our visual so that it's clear what this data represents. For example, you can call it summary. To do that, select the visual, go to the format pane. So far, we discussed the data pane and the build pane. Now, let's explore the format pane. The format pane helps you customize the appearance of your visuals. Here, turn title to on, then enter the title text as summary. Let's make it stand out a bit. Set the font size to around 17. Make it bold. Change the text color to white and set the background color to black. Nice. That looks much more professional. Now let's format the callout values. That's the number showing unit sold, profit, etc. We'll make them bold and increase the font size to around 17. You can also adjust the height slightly so that the text fits nicely. Next, under category labels, make them bold as well. These are the labels like sales, COGS, profit, and unit sold. Great. Now our multi-row card looks clean and well formatted. On the right hand side, you'll also notice a filters or navigation pane. This pane allows you to filter data at different levels. You can filter data for a single visualization, for the entire page, or for the entire report. We'll explore filters later in this course. Let's collapse this pane so we can see our visualization clearly. So that's how you create and format a multi-row card in Power BI. It's a great way to present a quick summary of key figures, easy to read and understand at a glance. In the next lesson, we'll move on to our next visualization, the pie chart. Let's see how to create that one.